Yo! Hello everybody. It's game dev time. Okay, so... Oh, this might be a little loud, 1 second. Classic start of dev stream. Oh, the song I put on is too loud. Teehee. Anyway... Yeah, I'm gonna pick up kind of where we were at last week. We were doing some code around animations, so just as a recap of what we got there. What do you mean no map selected? What the fuck? I did. Oh, you know what? I started it from the menu, and that's bad. Need the startup screen, otherwise it won't know how to set things properly. Yeah, so we gave ourselves a little bit of arms here, and then we also made an animation when you pick stuff up. But, specifically what just happened there, I guess you guys can't even really see, not like an input monitor of what I'm pressing, but I pressed grab twice and it like froze me in place longer than it should. I have ideas on why that might be happening. I'd like to fix that. Hey Raina, how are you doing? Pizza. Ended up skipping school today. I'm gonna get a truant officer on you. No. It's fair, I was entirely very unproductive today, so I'm certainly in no position to judge anyone. Did get my bills paid though. It was very depressing. Ferry was full, so I couldn't take it to town. Ooh, that's a bummer. Fuck yeah, but also, yeah. I'm like, man, spending way too much money on things. That's just reality right now, though. Anyway, enough of that. Back to game. Feel that? Yeah. Right, I was gonna pull up the animation, right? Yeah. Player pickup. Right, so the way we have the pickup, like, event handling going is we have, like, these event hooks, which seem to be more or less working. But I bet what's happening, so this is on pickup end, right? If I go into, like, the player prefab, on their model, there's, like, this animator. I guess I should have just looked at the animator, not the model. Right, so it flows between animations using this boolean. So I think there's like a couple things at play here that has this like... Oh yeah, you know what? This shouldn't have an exit time. I think that's one thing. Oh, wait. Or maybe it should just be down to 0? Just be a complete instant cutover? I think this is part of the issue. Back to the game, indeed. So what's happening is essentially like you're pressing grab too soon, and it hasn't fully switched over to the other animation. But the second half of that is that, because our pickup animation doesn't loop intentionally, it's keeping it on like this state of picking something up. But since it doesn't loop, it doesn't play the animation again, so we don't reach this on pickup end event. I think that's why this happens. I thought of some code I could use to fix this, but this might actually be all just configuration stuff. Maybe that animation should loop. Which I think I just do that here. Loop. Yeah. Mamma mia. Does this make anything look weird? That is the real question. Sorry, I'm like seeping some cold brew iced tea over here. Just keep licking my fingers to get them not wet. Okay, I think this is working as intended now. It was literally just that. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get rid of the safety code over here. I kind of want to get rid of... I think I should merge these two classes. So the only reason we have two classes here is this event hook one. You can only invoke events on a... wherever your animation's playing, you can only evoke events on that script, or on a script that is attached to that exact object. And I put the animator in a different spot where this animation manager code is running, but this doesn't need to be in the spot that it's at. I could just move it over to the other spot, and then we could call these. Yeah. Cool. Well, one issue fixed. I'm also going to add some more animation logic in a second here. I think this is seeped long enough. That looks like some iced tea, right? Hopefully it's not too weak. Dunk it in there a bit more to get the last little bits of leaf flavor in there. Yeah, it tastes good. Okay. Ooh. There, now we don't need that nasty update loop. Love it. Okay, I just realized something though. If I merge these, the thing that just cares about animation is going to need to worry about the player suddenly. And I guess that's okay? But this is gonna do all animation code. So it's a little redundant, I guess, to have these like extra methods in here that I have to call. But it'll prevent this file from becoming massive. Kind of like the player manager, right? Like this class is like... Oh, this is only 200 lines, that's not terrible. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna keep them separate. It'll also save me some time. Let me commit this really quick. Fix. Pickup animation getting stuck. Remove safety code. Unstick logic. Awesome. Okay. So the next thing I'd like to do is have an animation for the player putting a bomb down. And you know what, I'm probably going to just copy the... I don't know how I can copy this or if I can copy this cleanly, but I'd love to just copy like this exact logic basically. I forget how this works. I know I don't create it in here. I want to create it, Oh, you know what? It's this way, right? So... Yeah, if I go here, that has nothing, but if I add a new one through this, player, place, bomb. Okay, player picking up. Will this work? Oh no, it totally doesn't work. Darn. Well, I could try. Oh wait, it does work. Ha ha ha! Oh, I'm on the game screen. I'm like, what the heck? Alright, go ahead and play this for me. Okay, cool. You know what? We'll make it different. Just do one hand. Perfect. I don't know what exit's used for. That's fine. So we can't place a bomb while we're picking something up. How do I... Oh yeah, there we go. I forgot how to add a transition. Like that. And we'll need a new variable as well. It'll also be a boolean. Placing bomb. Okay. Condition is placing bomb is true. And then this side of things... Oh, yeah. Placing bomb is false. Get rid of that transition time, or exit time, for the same reason as the other animation logic there. And this is probably going to have like more or less the exact same logic flow. But first we need our hooks to do that. I don't know if these actually need to be enumerators. Let me see really quick. If I do this... Oh, well, we won't be happy about that. But there we go. Dude, this soundtrack really does go remarkably hard. How do I... Oh, there we go. Add the event. Okay, they don't need to be enumerators. Hopefully they don't, at least. I don't know. Okay, on, place, bomb, end. Now, will that break everything if I change this one's type? Oh, God. No, it still knows what to do. Okay, cool. I'm not sure in this context if there is any benefit to having these be, whatchamacallit? Not asynchronous, semi-asynchronous. I think there might not be, actually. Because it depends, right? So, like, if whatever we're doing inside this logic is, like, something complicated that's going to take a lot of calculation, probably better to keep these as enumerators, because then it can run you know, parallel to everything else going on. But oh, well, also these would need to be INU mergers as well, so I wasn't really getting any gain out of having them be that way. But even still, all of these are really simple, like, okay, set this variable, do this, whatever. I don't know how expensive this call is, to call the animation controller instead of variable, but speaking of that, we need to add a variable. Placing bomb. Did I rename an animation? Damn it. I kind of hate what this is called now. Let's see what happens if I do that. Or I hate that it's inconsistent with the other naming, you know? Okay, good. Pickup object on pickup end. Place bomb. Okay, so now everything's wired up from an animation perspective. The funny thing is, though, that if this, like, loops... I guess that's true of the pickup logic, too. Like, it could double pick something up if it looped accidentally. But it shouldn't do that? I think? Maybe having these loop is not the right call. I don't know. I think the exit time was the main issue. Well, I'll think about that in a second. Let's get this fully wired up. Okay, so in the event manager, this should be relatively simple. Public void start placing bomb. Oh, let's try this. Realize I gotta reverse this now, though. Cert bool. Game constants, animation variables, placing bomb, true. Okay. And then we'll need a hook for this as well. Placing bomb and animation controller.set bool. Set that to false. Set our local variable to false. And then we're all good. Some duplicated code, but I don't know what I could really do about this. Yeah. I mean, it's really only doing like a couple things, but... I'll think about that a little bit, but for now, this should work just fine. Oh, right. Hey, we're about to replace this to-do. Nice. Use reference from player model direction instead of this script's object forward. Tomato, tomato. I think that actually matters. God, okay. Okay, so this is the actual part that spawns the bomb. Oop, nope, 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 nope. Start placing bomb. And I think actually what we're going to want to do instead here is photon view.rpc, start placing bomb, all players. And this is so the animation will sync to all clients connected to the match. Oops. Okay. That is good, and then we'll actually... Oh, I can get rid of this to-do now. If photon view.is mine, or if it's not mine, return. I just realized something. The pickup logic of... Okay, no, I already have that in there. So that way not all instances of clients attached to this will lay a bomb every single time this happens. So one potentially weird thing is that down the line, there could be some weirdness, like if you start the animation, then some weird status effect happens to you where your max bomb count goes down. This won't check again for the bomb count. I guess I could just check again for the bomb count. I'll leave myself a note. I don't know. It's not something that couldn't happen right now, but should we check the bomb count again here in case max bombs decreased or player otherwise suddenly can't actually place a bomb? You know. I mean, it's not like the game will get broken from that, it's just you'll place a bomb when you technically should not have been able to. And your counter might go negative of like the number of bombs available, but then it will go back up to 0. So, like, whenever the bomb blows up. So, not a big deal. I'm okay with, like, it working that way. I need to call place bomb in the event hook. Oh, never mind. I already did. Alright. Let's see. Does it all work? What is the bomb button? What the hell is the bomb button? Ah, Q. There's a weird pause, and I'm not sure why. Why is it doing that? Did that bomb take longer to blow up? This animation doesn't pause. Fuck. This does blow up while I'm holding it, right? I think the fuse is just really long. I take longer to blow up. Maybe... Oh, wait, no. Maybe I added that logic. Oh, you know what? I think I did. Darn it. I like this song. It's very nice. I'm gonna prove this by holding this bomb. Sounds like Wales, a little bit. The country. Goodbye, bomb. Hello, mate. Draw. Why is my animation slow? What the fuck? It definitely just goes. Maybe I messed something up in the transition here. Is there something this transition has? Oh, yeah. That would do it. None of these should have exit times. I think that's just the general consensus here. That's probably it. That's probably all that's missing there. There we go. Alright, I don't know. Maybe that's tech? I guess that's probably fine, right? Laying more bombs while you're holding a bomb. I tried. I'm gonna say no, that seems silly. Let's fix that. Oh my god. That should do it. Sometimes coding is easy. Frequently not, but sometimes though. Alright, so we're holding something, I can no longer place a bomb. Put something down, I can place bombs again. I missed. This should all be faster though. Like every one of these animations needs to be like twice as fast. But that's why I used events, because now, literally all I have to do... Hold on. Wait for it, chat. Right, and I can't place a bomb. Good, good. Can't place a bomb while I'm picking something up, which is good. The only other thing I'd like to do is, if you are holding the pickup button, have you just hold the bomb by default. Like, you don't need to do both things. The thing is, I guess you're gonna always do the animation of picking something up regardless, but whatever, that's fine. Oh right, I was gonna see what the animations. Guess what I have to do that? Literally just this. There. Actually, I think I do that while it's running. See a better timing for stuff. Oh, I also want to experiment with, like, if I can turn off the loop. That feels much better. What about even faster, though? Oh, you can multiply it by a parameter. I didn't even know that. I like ×3. So that is the benefit of having the events rather than like having a timer or whatever in my code. Because if I had a timer in my code, even if I synced it up right, I'd have to go resync it now with the new timings of the animation. My player would just be like stuck basically, and the bomb would spawn at the wrong time and all that, but that's pretty nifty. Ooh, dunked it. How did I do that, actually? Alright. I don't know if this will be too much or not, but whatever, I'm doing it. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, I'm taking the loop off of these two. Will this break the other stuff? That is the question. So far, it seems like no, we're good actually. Dope. Alright. I'm gonna commit this code now. Add animation for placing bombs. Remove extraneous loop settings. God damn. This game has so much music in it. Alright. So now I want to spawn a bomb in my hands. I think I'm gonna make just like another animation for that, basically. Player spawn bomb in hands. This is gonna get tricky on the back end of the coding here, but that's okay. You know what? Actually, I'm not gonna copy anything off of this. Oh no. Okay, good, good, good. Thought I put this in the wrong spot for a second. Alright, hold on, I gotta skip past this. This is just all of the, like, rankings you get at the end of a level in that game. Okay, turn the recorder on. Add a keyframe here. In 0.75 Z position, and then we gotta lift it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring it in a bit for each of them. So like maybe 0.25, yeah, and then negative 0.25. Oh, that's not the right number. And then bring both of them up just ever so slightly. .25, why not? Seems like the magic number. Okay. For a second I thought I was messing with their scale, and then I just realized I'm just looking at it from a weird angle. I think I'm good. Let's see how that looks. It does look weird. It looks like your hands are growing, essentially. That's okay, though. It's not like this is finalized art anyway. Okay, now we're gonna need event hooks at both of these positions here. I guess long term, really what we want is like... This should go into like a carry animation. So we don't... There's something to think about. Well, let's get this working first, then I can think about how that looks and how that works. Add event hook here, add event hook here. We need actual hooks for those. Oh, actually, you know what? We kind of only need one hook for this. Don't know if I can do this or not. I'm going to try. Oop. Function not supported. Okay. So cannot pass parameters into this. Not at the function. This is going to be cheeky, but I think it's probably the best way to do this. If we're holding... Let's do on... Not on pickup, we want... Try to pick up, right. Cheeky... Breaky. Now I'm really starting to double think, like, do I even care? Like, I don't think we care about having a one-to-one... Maybe I can... Yeah, you know what? Okay. Forget all this. is busy. Actually, what we do then is, so really all I gotta do here is take these things, take the animation name out, and now we will need to make a separate hook if we have like animations where we don't want to lock all movement and everything, but it's so far, I mean, we're 3 for 3, and like all these animations, we want the player to not be able to do anything while they're doing them. Not start other animations while they're doing them, so I think just having this tied into one variable would kind of simplify things. I'll fix that in a second. Okay, we've got our hooks, we've got our animation logic. I'm missing something here. No, I'm not, because we already have the logic. We're using the same place bomb logic, but just we've got a variable now. I need to wire that up in the animation. I may even be able to simplify the hook class and make just like one global, like... Oh no, I can't, because I need to give it... I need to tell it which variable to turn off. Okay, so that we can't do, unfortunately. I didn't break this, right? Okay, good. Pickup shouldn't be broken. I don't know why it would be, but I'm gonna check anyway. Awesome. Is this Bomber Goon? This is Goon's Blast. How dare you get out of my stream? Nah, hey, what's up, Skull Sweaty? I think I'm still missing one thing. Oh, the animation. The flow of animations. Okay, need to add a transition from idle to our new animation. No. Oh, right, I need a new variable, which we shall call spawning held bomb, since we already called it that in our code. No exit time, cut this down to nothing. So when that is true, we go to this animation, and then back. And this shouldn't ever be going to any other animation or from any other animation besides idle. So that should be good. When it's false, we go back to idle. Cool diagram. Thanks, I made it myself. What's up, Epio? Okay, I think... Oh! Okay, the only thing is we don't actually call it anywhere, so now we need to mess with the, like, actual code. So in the player manager, we now need to keep track of whether or not the player is holding the pickup button. That should be relatively simple. This is not the right class, I think. Yeah, not the player manager, the player controller. Oops. Bump. Ah. So now we do need this. So we basically only want to set this... Yeah, you would need to press it again, so I think we only want to set it when we're actually doing the pickup animation. And then we need an event. Just to make that false. So whenever you let go of the button, it unsets it. And now, when you place the bomb, not the actual part where you place the bomb, but when you start placing it, yeah, over here, we will do start spawning bomb in hands, send that to everybody, make that method now because I don't have it currently. Needs to be public, otherwise the RPC can't see it. And now we call our new hook over here. Good. Everything has references to each other. We have somewhat reduced redundancy, but not entirely in here. Now, I could simplify this and make, like, you know, I guess make TriStar animation and animation end, like, just public with variable, like, you take a string or whatever. But I don't like the idea of, like, other classes using constants that are specific to animation outside of the animation, like, sphere. Forgot to clean those up. That would have been a disaster. Will you ever have a haste buff where people can animate faster? I might. I don't know if you're asking how to do that, but if anyone does want to know how to do that, this right over here, so I would make like a new parameter that would be like a number, right? Haste buff, we'll call it. And then we check this box, and the multiplier would go right in here. Which is pretty cool. And because all my animations have events that are points in the animation themselves, I can fuck with these timings as much as I want, and it won't change the actual functionality. Wait. No, it ain't. Multiplier. Oh, I think I screwed something up. Yeah, you should not loop. This one should loop, that's good. Okay, placing bombs and throwing bombs works all the same, that's good. Okay. Okay, that doesn't quite work. The animation part works, just the pickup is not working. Okay, so my hack to like try to just use the pickup function with with no with no whatever did not work. Back to the player controller. What is this? Oh, okay, so this can only currently be a bomb. It's not great, but whatever. This should work, I think. Let's see. And we'll have to test the networking as well, because, I don't know, this feels the jankiest out of anything I've written tonight. I did it in the wrong order. Dang it. Hey, we in there. Is that actually where I hold them? It is, okay. did the animation and didn't lay a bomb, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. I think I might be wrong. Okay, can't do the other animation when I don't have any bombs, as expected. I think I slightly glitched it, but whatever. Like, I skipped an animation, but I had to, like, jam myself into a corner, basically, to make that happen, so I don't know. Alright. That much is working. Let's see if it's working over the wire. Boom, boom, boom. Wait. You know what? I need to put him over here. Sorry, chat. Just have to take my word for whether or not it's working. Okay. Pickup works. Place bomb works. Yep, that's still smooth. Nice. Alright, that all seems pretty good. I'm gonna test on the other end now, so get him in view here. Oh yeah, I guess now you guys can see that it works. So yeah, there you go. Picking up, spawning in air, laying bombs, all of it seems to work. Cool. That's most of actually what I wanted to do tonight, so I'm gonna go do a thing that's been on my list for a while that I think is kind of related to animation, maybe? I don't know how to solve this properly, but we're gonna figure it out together. That's what we do here. By together, I mean all me. Go fuck yourself, chat. Damn. Too strong. Got him. Bullseye. Alright, let's commit that code. Made it so you can spawn a bomb and instantly grab it by holding, pick up, then pressing bomb. So I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do this, but God, that's fucking loud. Mr. Sauce Man. Good enough. So what I want to do now is blocks that have an item in them, I would like to change the way they look, and I think I'm just gonna make them like flash or whatever subtly. I think we can do this with animation. I don't know if it's the right thing to do. Wait, actually, hold on. Not layers, shoot, what am I looking for? Oh yeah, no, we did use an animation, okay, gotcha. That's totally in the wrong folder, but you know, whatever, we can just move that. Animation controller. This might be a horrible idea to have all of these animating. I don't know. Breakable block. So what do? We put a an animator on the actual mesh, okay. Oh, this is a prefab, isn't it? Yeah, tiles, there we go. As item inside. Crap. Oh, there's a photon animator view. Huh. So maybe I'm not supposed to be sending RPC calls to like sync animation. I don't know, the way I'm doing it works, and I can't imagine it's very expensive either. It's just like, hey, go tell the other scripts to do this, like run this code. I don't know. Maybe I'm naive, maybe that's wrong. This is the thing I'm probably the most worried about performance-wise, because like, I have levels that are literally all made out of this object, so even if they're not doing anything visually with their animator, like, if there's an animator on them, I don't know if that's going to cause, like, a bunch of problems. But I guess I'll find out. Alright, what is it? An animator. I need an animator. Well, I guess if I leave idle as not having any animation, maybe that's good? Breakable block with item dot anim. Oh no, it needs an idle. Crap. How do I, there we go. This is probably very much the wrong way to do this. Did I not just make an item? Oh god, or a parameter? Did I put that on something else? Shoot. That might have been on the bomb, actually. As item inside. Let me go back to the bomb really quick and make sure I didn't put an unnecessary thing on there. I did. Oh well. Wait. Oh. There we go. It's mildly confusing, but it does make sense the way that does that thing. Okay. So breakable block with item, we gotta make that animation now. Do the same thing we did in the other one. Basically just have a different color. Add a keyframe right in the center where it's the other color that we want, I guess. Turn on the recorder. Oh, I can just do it this way. Nice. So what does this look like in practice? Works for me. Might be a bit too obvious, I don't know. It's fine. Oh, gross. Wait, okay, no, hold on. This has... How does this work? God damn. Okay, destructible.get content. So we have this in here. Yeah, okay, so... Great. We don't need to do it on awake, we can do it on start. So as long as it's not nothing, then we set the animator, or the animation variable. Okay. Wait. God damn it. Ah, crud. Okay. So it's not quite that simple. But that should do it. Okay, then I just need to set the animator as a reference on this. Here we go. Okay, in theory that should do it. We'll see. So this should make it so that if there's anything in a breakable block, it should glow red. That is a bad level to check. There's no blocks with items in them. Perfect. Now, this isn't foolproof because... What's the detonate button? Oh, it's E. This isn't foolproof because, some of these randomly have a chance to not spawn anything. I think that's actually what all of these guys are on the sides here. But that's okay. Because it doesn't actually determine whether it has anything in it until the moment you, you break it. So I can't really, like, preemptively account for that. But that works for me. That's basically what I was looking for. What's going on here? Why can't I mess with the animator? Oh, there we go. I would kind of like a different visual effect on this, though. I'm gonna see if I can find something that would be... I don't know. I'd almost like it to, like, flash white or something. Yeah, honestly, this is something I should definitely be doing, like, with a shader or whatever, but... yeah, I don't know. Runs fine on my, like, you know... With what? A shader. Like, code for it to determine how it should display itself each frame. Yeah. Sorry, I'm mumbling on the music slide, I know. They said shaker. I'm like, what the fuck is that? It's with the thug shaker. What if I fuck with the smoothness? Go all the way up and back? That's probably really expensive from a rendering perspective. Dude, there's a fly that has been all up in my business this whole time. All the vertices. Yes. Huh. That alpha's not really doing anything. Oh, I'm not, it's because I'm not recording it. Nope, it doesn't matter. Okay, whatever. Most alphas don't. Damn. Got him. That weirds me out that that was turned off. Why was that turned off? Oh, why did I go to that level? Aside from it's the first one. That's still working. Okay. Whatever. Oh. Should really make better icons for the power-ups, because right now they're very weird to look at. Well, I'm satisfied. Let me commit that code. That's not my source control. Here we go. Men. Hey, men. Make the breakable blocks glow red if they have something inside them. Commit, push. Yeah, chat. I think that's gonna do it for the game dev side of things tonight. I didn't even plan to get to this. This is something that was like floating in the back of my mind of like, hey, I should fix this or whatever. But yeah, we fixed all the animation bugs, added some more animation stuff. I think I want to mess with the editor some more next time, but I don't know. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot involved in that. There's some other like heavy items I need to start kind of working on, and then I also want to start making like a campaign mode at some point too. So one of those three things will be our next focus, I guess. There's a couple random bugs I could maybe try to fix, but I know why they're happening and they're not easy things to fix. Will have to happen later, I guess. It has to do with like when the host leaves, like a bunch of things get fucked up. Yeah. I'm gonna take a quick break and then we'll play a game. I don't know what yet, though. I'll think about that while I'm taking a break. But yeah, if you're just here to hang out while I'm making games and you're gonna take your leave, understandable. Otherwise, stick around. I'll be playing some games. And thanks for watching, YouTubers. In the future, like a month from now when this actually gets published.